Alright guys, so I'm back with another quick simple video here, and what I'm going to do is, the issue with this dryer here is the door will not stay latched properly, and I'm going to show you a quick easy simple trick to help you out and maybe save you some money. Alright, so the problem with this dryer is, as you can see, I got it taped up just because I had to stop that door from flying around. If you come up on the inside of this dryer right here, I'll show you this little latch right here that connects to this metal part right here. Same on basically any model dryer, is broken, but with this model, just like several other models, there's an extra spare right underneath it, or sometimes located over here. And I'll show you real quick with another dryer I have. It's all basically the exact same. All right, so right here I've got a dryer with a little bit more, she's a little bit more mature, but as you can see, right here's the good one, and then there's a spare right here, just the same as the other dryer. All right, so with this specific dryer that I have right here, all we're gonna have to do is take these 3 bolts right here on the door, Phillips heads. We're gonna go ahead and remove those, and I've already loosened those. Make this video quick for you. Okay, so all you're gonna wanna do is just pull it apart right here. Depending on your dryer, you may have to remove some from the bottom down here on some models, but with this model in particular, you just had to remove those 3. And usually you can take a pair of needle nose pliers, but I can just use my fingers and just pinch it just like so and push it back through. All right, so we're gonna go down here to the bottom one. It's the same way. It's kind of got a lip on the top and bottom of it. Let me show you before I pop it out. You can see there's a little bit of a lip on the top and bottom that you're gonna have to work past to get it out. Okay, so once we've got it out, oops, let me wrap it. You can see where I had the old one and the new one. I'm gonna take the other one. Let me get this camera right. All right, so all we're gonna do is hold against the back of the dryer, and you'll hear it click in place just like that. And I'm gonna take the old one just so I don't have this hole sitting here, and I'm gonna pop it back in place right there. And now just take your dryer, and if you had to remove bolts on the bottom to get to it, you put those back in at this time, but right now I'm just gonna put these 3 back in. Okay, so I've gotten these 3 bolts back in place here, and the dryer is latching again, as should. Thanks for watching, guys.